Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Matthew, and today we are installing a set of diode dynamic LED bulbs in my 2014 FJ Cruiser. This is going to be a relatively short and simple video. Here's a quick glance of the bulbs I will be installing today. Please note that they are all in cool white color and will be linked in the description below. A pair of HP36 bulbs for the mirror lights, a pair of HP5 bulbs for the map lights, a pair of HP5 bulbs for the license plate lights, a single HP6 bulb for the dome light and the rear cargo light. Using your hands, gently pry down on the map light housing. It should release with relatively little force. For ease of install, go ahead and disconnect the wire. On the back side, there are two bulbs, one for each map light. Twist the bulbs counterclockwise to remove them. Moving on to the dome light, use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the cover. Using a Phillips head, remove the screws holding on the light housing cover. The best technique I have found for removing the mirror is to press it to the top right corner. From the bottom, you're able to pry it with your hands. You can easily remove the current mirror light by twisting it counterclockwise. Overall, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any recommendations for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. The links to all the parts in this video can be found in the description below. And in no way am I affiliated with or sponsored by Diode Dynamics, but I am very happy with their products and have been using them for the last 5 years on various vehicles. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to stay up to date with future videos, considering subscribing, and most importantly, have a great rest of your day.